Today I'm going to show you how to replace the steering wheel in your Tesla and go from this to that. I am doing this to match my newly installed performance seats. Look how beautiful they are. If you're interested in getting them yourself, I'm going to link the video in the description of me installing these. Pretty straightforward, but what an amazing upgrade. First step, navigate to your safety, scroll all the way down and power your screen off. Then open your frunk, pull the plastic cover off, and down in there, disconnect the negative battery terminal. Now this is a little tricky. You should technically take the airbags off, but to save yourself some time, grab a 10 mil and snake your hand here and undo right over here this 10 mil, loosen it up, and then set it to the side. Then on this side, this is called a responder loom. You want to go here and disconnect that as well. Give it a quick tug, and it'll come right off. There you go. As you can see, this fully disconnected the screen and everything else in the car. And then on each side of the steering wheel, here and there, you have a hole. What you do is you stick something flat like this, stick it in there and feel for a spring. There you go. See, when you hit the spring, it unlocks the airbag. There we go. And now press here and there to remove the airbag. There we go. I'm gonna put it on the seat. You also have another plug in the clock spring to undo. Again, squeeze the two clips and it'll come right out. Basically pinch them. There we go. And now you take a 10 mil Allen bit, hold the steering wheel in between your legs and undo it. Yeah, I am all that is man. Set this aside, and now you can simply remove the wheel. Okay. Woo! All right, and it's off. And this is the steering wheel comparison between the old and the new. You've got this sporty profile for your thumbs. You also have a flatter bottom. The diameter is the same. You also have this 12 o'clock notch, beautiful white stitching. Next step is to move all the guts from this one to that one. On the inside, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 screws that you want to remove. And then simply unclip, move these things out of the way, flip it upside down and unscrew the control module. And there.
And replace it on the new steering wheel?
Yes.
So who's gonna watch it?
That's a good question. See, so once you remove the 4 screws from the back, it's a lot more convenient to disconnect everything from the top, slide it out. I'll push it back in because my goal is to remove this whole thing as a unit so it's the least amount of work. In this case, this means flipping it upside down, and then here you've got these black clips. You want to push them in and out, which will dislodge the plastic holder trim thingy. There's only one way to do it, so you can't miss it. See? So you put that on the side. So then take the wheel, put it over here, and snap these bad boys in place. Then the new one has this plug that you have to plug into the blue receiver. Bam. Snap it in place. Then it's as simple as screwing the cover back in. This is so simple compared to other cars. This just snaps in place and replace the screws. And just like that, everything's put back together. Again, this is so simple compared to other cars that I've worked on. That is pretty unbelievable. We're ready now to put it back in the car. When you're back in the car, center it. There's only one way to do it. Push it in, put the screw back in, tighten it, and now you can plug in this plug. Then you can grab the airbag, plug it in, move all the wires out of the way, and then simply click the airbag in place, and you're done. Look at this new beautiful steering wheel. Let's go ahead and reconnect everything. This means plugging this guy back in and reconnecting the battery again. Sticking my head in there. Wait for it, wait for it. There it is. It's time to put the cover back on. We can close the frunk. And aside from my typical tire pressure monitoring system fault message, there's nothing here. Check this out. Wow, this feels amazing. Let's take it for a quick spin. Ladies and gentlemen, just leaving the house, I can tell you that this was an amazing upgrade. Just take a look at it. Not only does it look fantastic, but it feels so great in my hand. Oh, wow. And then when you're spinning it, oh, look. Makes it feel like more of a sportier car. Definitely fits the nature of the car now with the seats that I have. Absolutely love it. I mean, what's not to love? Super, super cool. Oh, yeah.